Come test drive the 2018 Mercedes S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, climate control, premium sound, center armrest, side airbag, clock, security system, carpeted floor mats, tachometer, dual zone climate control, overhead console, daytime running lights, rear view camera, power mirrors, heated mirrors, rear fog light. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.